I'm preparing 150 bucks for my full tank. Super. We will see if 150 is enough. I'll pay by cash, brother. How much?
Yes, 114, 114.
114.
Yes, sir.
114, huh?
Sir.
Good.
How?
Thank you, brother.
Oh, boss.
I still have 36. Pwede pa. Discharge muna tayo ng hangin from 35 to 15 or maybe 13 PSI para iwas sa balahaw, pati maganda ang kapit ng gulong natin sa disyerto. Medyo magandang bakbakan ito ngayon. Kasabay natin yung mga Xterra boys. 35 to 13, brother. 13. What do you think? 15 or 13?
35.
This is 35.
The 13,
13 is good, I think. Very good. Actually, usually ang pressure ko is 15. 15 pag mayroong maraming karga at may laman, may kasama ako. Pero ngayon si Borting lang kasama ko eh. Dahil kami lang dalawa ni Borting, probably ating siguro baka yung 13 okay na. Wiwo banat, ay kumpiyansa kay pala tinapay.